Yeah.
Well, you got picture.
Papunta po.
Hero! Mommy's home!
Oo. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, mommy's
Yeah.
home!
I'll see ya. Teka, sandali.
Who's that?
Okay.
Sige. Nakaamoy ka ha.
Tumitirik ang mata mo. Tumitirik ang mata.
Look at his eye!
What's wrong?
His eyes are going backwards.
Ha?
Look at it! Look how much his eyes are so big!
No.
His eyes are so big! Look at it!
You good dog. Banat eh, Hey! Pinakain ka ng pinakain ng lola mo.
Taba eh.
Ha? Ano?
Let's
move it. Ha?
Look at his eyes!
Big dog.
Pagod na pagod.
Big dog.
So, doon mo tutulog. Wow. Good. Hala, sige. Hanggang si, yung bigas na sa amin. Saka yung tilapia. Oo, ito si Tito Noriel.
Big legs.
Hi.
Okay.